Okay, I was using my leftover pieces for making some extra tags, cards to put in the deeper pockets from the Cosmos album. But I remembered that I had these dies and I totally forgot to use these pockets. So actually I do want to use a few of these before I absolutely totally forgot. Let's see. Yeah, I do have them. So I'm so sorry. I want to use these. I promised Crealis that I'm going to use these in this album, and I totally forgot about it. So I did cut out already to test it out. So we have a bigger one and a middle. Oh yeah, this is the bigger one, the biggest one, pocket die, and then a smaller one, and then we have an even smaller one than that. Let me first grab it. Where is it? Oh, here it is, the tiny one, the tiny little bastard. Sorry, I did not curse. And this one. So I am going to try to do something on this card. So let's see. Let's first grab the biggest one I already cut out. So when you cut it out, then you have this piece with all the flaps around. So let's just use it on top. Now I did have a gap right here and I don't like a gap. So let's use a strip. I do not have, oh yeah, wait, I do have this piece which I like to use. So let's cut this at the right spot, just so it's nicely all attached good. Well, not attached good, but so it's, I don't like open gaps. I hate it. So I'm just going to cover that up with this centimeter printable. It's not from Cosmos, it's a printable. And now I can add this pocket, which I cut out with that pocket die from Crealis. And I almost forgot using it. Ooh, so sorry. Alright, so where do we want this? Oh, we just overlapped this completely. Well, let's put this right on top here. I don't want to ruin my centimeter picture. So let's put this on top here. Okay, now I cut out these in white. It's nice to put a picture on here, I think. But we also have the small one. So you can fold these all the way around. It's very easy to use, these little pockets. And there is a link where a designer let you see so much nice possibilities you can do with these little. Oh, this is nice. What do you think? Nicely here below. Let's do a little crazy. Well, this is then cover up, but not completely. Let's do a little crazy. And in that video, she is going to show you so much possibilities to do, even with your planner, and so much nice tutorials. And if I don't forget, I will put that link below this description box too, so you can see. I did cut out also Yep, I did. Well, you can measure, of course, your design paper if you like, because this is a pretty thick black edge, but I like it. And so this is the middle size, and we also have that little one. See, that little one is again lost. I did not cut it out just yet, so I'm going to do that just in a moment. Okay, so I cut it out, this small little one. Let's fold these flaps. Oh my gosh, I love this cute little one. Okay, let's move this one, and I'm always terrible. I can cut this piece out. So let's see which one I want to use then. Okay, now I can throw this away. So now I can choose the blue one or that wooden background. Okay, so I think I'm just going to add first this white photo mat on that pocket. Okay, I think I'm gonna embellish this with a little edge, a little strip. Then this little piece, pocket. Design, yeah, it's not design paper, but it covers this top pocket. And then we have this little piece, and I definitely want it all on one card. So what do you think on this side? Just to give it a little, I do need then first a little strip. Sorry for the noise. I hope this is the last day of being hot. Okay, let me first add this strip. Just a little extra touch. And now I can add, and it's just to let you see how nice these little pockets are and how handy they are in use. So I'm just going to apply this on here. And then I think I will go for this color. Here we go. See how nice that is working. Alright, that works perfect. Now this we can use for that inside. Now I always like to use a little tool, that's just a ruler, to work that paper a little more. So it's easier to move something in and out. And the best way to do that is to wait till your glue is dry. I'm not always having that much patience, but sometimes then you're going to ruin your pocket, and that's also not nice. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Now let's make a nice little tag of this piece. Yep, this is big enough. And this is so easy, guys. This is perfect. So we can add this on a piece of paper. And now we are not going to cut this all the way around, otherwise I think it will drown in that pocket, but we are going to see how deep this is going to be. We have to work with it. Okay, let's work with these pockets a little more. Now it should be fitting. What's wrong with it? Yeah, here we go. So I don't want to go too high with my white pencil for this. So I think just around that edge. Perhaps we can cut this just a little tighter. Sorry for the noise, but I just love having my window open at this heat. Okay, yep, that's perfect. And you can use a corner punch or anything what you like. Let's use this hole punch. Here we go. And let's put a board in. I did not have this. Let's say now it fits. Here we go. Look how cute this is. You see that I did not have enough on the corners. Let me cut this a little deeper. Not deeper. Do I have, perhaps this one is better. Needs, yeah, that's better. I choose the wrong one. Alright, so now we can add this nicely in here. Cool. Yes. Okay, so now we can add a nice thing on the back. Not a nice thing, a nice card, perhaps this one. That fits perfectly. I will glue that down on some black. I always like doing that. Well, oh, perhaps it's not. Oh, I hate covering up the back. These are awesome to use, but it's for a good cause. Okay, let's cut these shorter. There we go. Yeah, that is working perfectly right here, and then we have one more at the back, making a card. Then we have a nice pocket card. Okay, so let's see how deep this one goes. This one, that's, oh, this size is actually already good, but I want it just a little shorter. And then again, decorate this piece too, and then it's done. I like it. Let's cut this corner. And let's see, I do have so much left over, so let's use it. Let's use it all. And it's a mess on my desk right now, but hey, that's a good thing. And we can clean it up in just a second when we are done. And this album is almost done. So cool. Oh, I like this color. Yeah, let's use this. This I like better. Will pop up better from the background of that wooden design paper. Yeah, 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 yeah. Alright. Let's use some washi tape. I don't like this size, so I'm gonna cut this a little smaller. Am I crazy? Yeah, I am. Perhaps I am crazy. I don't know. I just like to be something, sometimes to be perfect. Just, I hope it's long enough. Is it? Is it long enough? Oh, just. That is my luck. Alright, now I am going to push this washi tape way good on that paper so it won't get loose. And now I only have to search for a piece of paper with fitting, well, let's use this piece. I do have it, so why not use it? Okay, let's cut this down, and then we're done. Then we have a nice pocket tag, which, I'm gonna use this one, which is nice. And I totally forgot using these pockets. I'm so, well, so sorry. That's a big word, but I like it. Okay. Let's cut off a little of this piece. Here we go. Yeah. Come here. Yep. That's that. That is cool. Yeah, I like it. So we still can write something down or put a nice little picture on here. I like it. The finishing touch. I think I am. Yeah, I'm gonna do this on here. I don't know. Sometimes I think it gives just that extra to a white photo mat. So it invites more to write something down there, or instead of glue there a picture on, but that's just me. I don't know what you think, but I like this. Alright, so I like these dies. Really handy to use, and so it's awesome. Oh, I did cut that out. Diane, you totally forgot about it. Well, anyway, this is the CLJP 653 Pocket S. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. The CLJP 653 Pocket S. Then you have the middle size, and that is in this piece. And that's, let's zoom it in. That's the CLJP 651, the Pocket M. Alright, and then we have the large one. And that's the, zoom in, the CLJP 651 Pocket L. So we have an L, M, S pocket. I love these. Okay, so yeah, I now use them on one card, but you can imagine if you are going to use this in an album. So easy. Okay, thanks for watching.